So we're gonna open this.
Yeah,
This is
going
gonna
to
be very
open it.
exciting. Yes, I'm gonna do this part. Hi, 開けましょう。せーの、
はい、
ドーン。
せーの、
Look at there's so many.
What is that? は？で、なにこれすごっ。
すげー。Hi, so let's open this. So this is I think we would pronounce it as Joué, which means play in French, if I'm correct. And it's the music instruments by them. So we're gonna take the nice job. We're gonna take the tape off. There you go. はい、いきますよ。So this is supposed to be the board. So here we go.
ボードね。おー。
あ、ごめん。
大丈夫だよ。気にするな。こうやって取るんだね。
Whoa, it looks so cool. It's so fancy. Oh, look, this is a sticker. There's a sticker in there too.
ね、あのさ、まな板。ごめん。
そういうこと言わないな。何言ってんの？まな板って。Okay, so these are. What are these? I don't know what these are. Oh, I think
Oh, it's a case. It's a case.
Oh, so you can like plug these into these. This is the USB, and this is lightning. Oh, is this a case? That's a case.
It's a
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
And this is cardboard.
Yes. Okay, so this is a nice little case for it. It's so cool. And here is the instructions. So
Yes.
you plug it in and you put. Oh yeah, attach a pad that we're gonna open now, and then you just play. So it's gonna be very easy to set up. So this is how the pad looks like. I mean, not the pad, the board.
Can you speak, honey?
It looks like that.
See?
Yeah. So then you can attach different pads to this little parts, and there's 4. So you're gonna open it. Ooh. Oh, it feels so cool.
It's so cool. It's like a snake.
Show it to everybody. Show it to everybody.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. It's like so. It feels so
Wow.
amazing. So you
これ
just
押
put
したら
this.
なる？
そう、これ押したらなるんだって。ちょっと向きがわかんないんだけど、例えばこっちにこうするじゃん。そしたら
Wow.
こうなります。かっこいい。And then it'll just work. Oh man, that's so cool.
すごい。
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
すげえ、ちょっとこれアタッチしてみよう。
綺麗。
みんなに見せるのよ。
ピョンピョンピョン。
Oh, and this is the guitar pad? Oh, that's amazing.
This is
keys pad.
The keys pad?
This is the guitar.
あー！
す
かっこよい。
Look at this.
待ってどこに置こう。
This looks so cool. So you can like play chords on this. How does this work though?
Precious. My precious.
I can show it to everybody. And it looks so cool. Okay, and then we have one more. There's so many. This is so
That
cool,
makes
man.
total sense, man.
And this is the piano pad.
おー、かっこいい。
見て。
ちょっと危なくな
めっちゃかっこよくない？
Wow. キー。
So, we
I can
have
plug this in
the
my nose.
piano pad.
This is a piano pad. It's very pretty. Oh my goodness. いや、
We
水
have-
のきれくない？
We have the keys
きれい
pad.
ね。
Okay, that looks beautiful. Okay, and then what is that?
This is a guitar pad.
That's a guitar pad, and then this is the
guitar
drum pad. こっちに置こうか。そっちでもいいよ、全然。
なんか順番。
ちょっとなんかこっちのがほら。はい。So these all look like this, and then you can attach them to this big board, and then I think if you just there's the place to connect it from here. So you just connect this to your iPad or whatever device you're using, and then I guess it's gonna work. So yeah, it looks like this. Hi. So we can't wait to use these. This is gonna be amazing. I don't know how it's gonna work. I can't believe that this is gonna make sound because it just like feels so smooth, you know?
I'm sorry.
And it's just a board, you know? How's that gonna happen? How does it read the sound and the movement? It's gonna be very, very, very cool. So, we'll try to use it, and we'll do another review on a video or on a live stream again. So, yeah, we'll see you guys again then. Well, thanks so much for watching. Bye bye! すげえな。ここからまたこれじゃない？これで呼び取るのかな？すごくない？